Well, I certainly don't think it ever should be let them do as they want. I think, and we've probably been stormed on about as much as anybody. I would think. At least there was a period of time, like every road loss we had on a home court, it seemed like it was a court storming. We've actually gotten better at it because of the way you can prep your team in certain ways, and a lot of the safety measures up until recently, I think, has been with the the visiting team educating their own players how to handle it, and I mean like calling a timeout with 15 seconds left and it's a 10-point game just to get guys out of the game or whatever, or tell them, okay, don't go out there, everybody stand next to the sideline. Those things happen, but even with that, that should not be the responsibility of the visiting team to educate their guys. I don't like it. I wish they would legal, outlaw, but I would think the leagues could certainly put stiff enough penalties down on places that do, that would certainly deter those things from ever happening, at least in my standpoint. And the one that everyone's talking about as of recently, that was one of the quickest ones I've ever seen. I mean, that happened so fast, and if you don't have the proper security in a situation like that, it would be hard to imagine that fans do not come in contact with visiting players, which could lead obviously to injuries or maybe legal things down the road. So I would hope they could just totally do away with them. We haven't stormed a court here. I don't know if we ever have in my time, but even before that. And I'm not saying that in any way, shape, or form that that's the way it has to be or we're the standard. But I do believe it's gotten way out of control.